Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can set up an alarm in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. Simply tap on this clock widget. From here you can set an alarm, or you can also click on clock app. From here you can set the alarm. Let's say I want to set alarm of 7:30 am and name it work. I can set days Monday to Friday and Saturday Sunday is off. Second, from here I can also select the tune. So I like this ringtone. Let's tap on save. Let's set another alarm to check it is working or not. So now as you can see, our alarm is working absolutely fine. Just click on dismiss. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.